No gatekeeping zone here, guys. Watch this simple bridal hair tutorial. I'm not going to be using hair padding for this. So if you want to learn how to make bridal hair without using hair padding, watch till the end. So I sectioned the hair into two. I'm packing with rubber bands. I'm packing both sides and I'm matting it, and I will just secure it with my bobby pins to keep the hair in place. Click on that plus sign to follow this page if you are learning something, and type I'm learning something. It goes a long way and I feel your support. Yes. And this kinky extension, I'm not going to be using the full pack, and I'm going to be using small bobby pins for this. Reason why is because scalp is very sensitive. So she doesn't like metals touching her scalp, just like me too. So I'm using the small that is going to be safe for her. And I'm just going to be using a lot of small bobby pins too, so that it's going to hold firmly in place. So just watch till the end and you will definitely learn something. So I'm just taking a little part and folding it, and I'm going to be securing it with still bobby pins, the small bobby pins, guys. So watch till the end. Don't just run away. Watch till the end so that you learn something. I don't gatekeep information here. I post full tutorial videos. And if you're learning something, please type I learned something. It goes a long way. I feel your support. And just look at how the hair is coming. Actually, I was making my hair when my client came in. So my hair is kind of half done. I'm using the invisible hair net to secure the hair to prevent fly out, to keep it in place. And I'm just styling. The hair is very, very simple. I call it the simple bridal hair tutorial because I'm not using hair padding and it still comes out as a bridal hair, guys. Then I'm going to be using my freeze blast. Look at how fine it is. I'm using my freeze blast to just keep the hair and prevent fly outs. Then I'm using this as a replacement for hair vine. Look at how beautiful it is. So this is a simple and a sample bridal hair tutorial without hair padding. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.